Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, on today's video, I'll be showing you a list of applications that I am personally using at this current time to actually earn money with by inviting users. Now, you see, the thing is, everyone, with these type of lists, something you have to remember here is that these applications can still be used even if you do not want to invite anyone, okay? They are legitimately paying applications that I've already reviewed on my channel, which of course you can find there. Now, I was going to say this is affiliate marketing, and in some aspects I truly believe it is, just with applications, because essentially if you have the right audience or if you know people that you want to sign up to use these applications, you will actually start earning money through them using the applications as well. And if you have no idea what affiliate marketing actually is, essentially you get paid by companies to actually refer and sign people up to their websites or use their applications in this instance. I hope you enjoy. Please remember, of course, to hit like and subscribe to help support the channel. Drop a comment as well telling me if you're going to use any of these applications, as I would love to hear your opinions. The first application is called Feature Points. Now, Feature Points is an application that allows you to earn money through completing surveys, playing games, and also completing offers. Just recently, I posted a video talking about how I actually withdrew $100 USD just by inviting people to use their platform. Now, Feature Points has a point-based currency system where all the cash outs are based on how many points a user generates. So you will personally get rewarded with 50 points per referral to their platform, and you'll also earn 50% of whatever they earn on that platform as a bonus, guys. So if they complete offers that are worth hundreds or thousands of points, you'll get 50% of that as a bonus without doing anything, which in my opinion is fantastic. Any of the bonuses that you get from any of the applications shown on this list will not impact your referrals earnings. So you don't have to feel guilty or anything by referring people. It's literally just pure bonuses. Feature Points generally pays out within 1 to 2 days from what I've experienced here in Australia, guys, but in your country it might vary. Next up, we have the money-making platform Ysense. Now, Ysense is not only a survey website and application, everyone, but you can also actually complete offers on there as well, which pay quite a large amount of money. And the reason why this is important, when you sign someone up to use Ysense, you get rewarded with either 10 cents all the way up to 30 cents per sign up. Now, that might not seem like a lot, but once the person you've signed up hits $5, you will then earn an extra $2 instantly as a bonus. But then it gets even better, everyone, because for every survey and offer that your referral actually completes, you will then earn up to 30% as a bonus of the money they've generated through completing those tasks, which is pretty insane once you think about it, because obviously the more people you invite, the more money that you can actually generate. Looking at my Ysense account right now, I've generated at least $100 just from referring people to use the application. Now, of course, not everyone's a YouTuber like myself or other people that might make videos, so obviously the earning rate might be different, but it's still cool that you can invite people that you might know that might want to make money online and at least get some sort of kickback out of it. The last time I cashed out on Ysense, it took me 10 days, but apparently now this next cash out is going to be much faster. So we'll see what happens, but either way, Ysense is definitely a legitimate application. Next up, we have Freecash. Now, Freecash is relatively new to me. I've only just pretty much started using it, but they have a referral program where if you sign anyone up, they will allow you to earn 5% per completed survey or offer that your referral actually completes. Not only that, but Freecash will actually reward the person that you just signed up 100 free coins. Generally, throughout this video, you'll be seeing the different cash out pages for the applications I'm recommending. And Freecash has various different cash out options, just like a majority of the applications I'll be showing you on this list. Last time I used Freecash, it only took them 1 day to actually approve my withdrawal, and then I got paid out instantly via PayPal. Next, we have Swagbucks. I'm sure you've all probably heard about Swagbucks by now. It's a website and application that allows you to earn by completing surveys, completing offers, and playing games. So they have a referral system that actually allows you to earn 300 Swagbucks when the person you referred earns their own 300 Swagbucks within 30 days. But you also get to keep 10% of whatever offers, surveys, or tasks that your referral actually completes on their platform as well. So it's actually quite a nice little system that Swagbucks has. Swagbucks cash out system is pretty hit or miss every time I've used it. Sometimes it literally takes 1 day to get paid, then sometimes it can take up to 5 days. It's pretty random, but it is a platform I can recommend. Next up, we have Atapole. Now, Atapole has a fairly solid invite a friend system, guys, where essentially, at least here in Australia, I get $1 for signing you up and you get $1 for joining through my code. But in return for inviting someone on Atapole, Atapole will reward you with 10% of their earnings as a bonus. Now, just remember, of course, this doesn't interfere with your referral's earning. This is just a thank you bonus for pretty much signing someone up to Atapole. I really do like Atapole's referral system, but that's because I absolutely love Atapole as a platform itself. Atapole is an instant paying survey application if you did not know. Next up, we have Qme. Now, Qme is a premium survey and offer platform that allows you to earn cash pretty much instantly by completing surveys or completing offers, but not only that, you can actually shop on there as well and get cashback bonuses. The thing about Qme is, everyone, they have a very extensive refer a friend system, and what I mean by that is that you have the choice with Qme to either take a $1 bonus for inviting someone, splitting the profits with them 50-50, so they get 50 cents and then you get 50 cents, or you can literally make it so they get the full $1 for joining up. The thing is though, they will have to cash out on the platform first to actually get this bonus, so keep that in mind. The only problem I can see with Qme is that it's not available in every country, guys, but if you go on their website or application, you should be able to tell if you can use it or not. Next up, we have the gaming platform Gamee. Now, Gamee, to me, is quite a fantastic platform for the simple fact of you earn tickets through literally playing games on their app. Now, the thing about Gamee, everyone, is that their payment system is a little bit different. Essentially, you have to generate enough tickets to then enter a daily giveaway to then earn money. So the way Gamee really works might not be for everyone, but if you like playing games and you want to build yourself a team that will help you collect tickets that then you can convert into money, then Gamee is a great application for you. Now, the way that the referral system works for Gamee is that every time you invite a friend to that platform and they reach level 5 on it, you will be rewarded 10 cents and 500 tickets. Now, I've managed to invite over 100 people to Gamee, and I've recently cashed out on Gamee and received my payment, so I can 100% confirm that Gamee is a legitimate application that you should actually recommend to your friends. I was a little bit curious on how Gamee was going to pay me, but they literally paid me within 1 day of my request for PayPal. So I definitely have to respect that. Also, Gamee will reward you with 10% of the tickets that your invite actually wins throughout their experience. So that's another added bonus. Next up, we have Current Rewards. Now, I've covered Current Rewards on my channel recently. I actually recently cashed out around $20 or so from their application. They have quite the little nifty invite a friend referral program, guys. If you don't know what Current Rewards is, essentially it's a platform that allows you to earn money through listening to music, completing surveys, completing offers, and playing games. It's actually quite a great platform in my opinion, and I am happy with the referral system on it. Every time you invite a user to Current Rewards, they will reward you with 500 points. Now, keep in mind, the minimum cash out for at least $1 on Current Rewards is around 7,850 points. But you will earn 5% of the earning that your referral gains through listening to music permanently. Plus, if your referral redeems up to $3 or more, you will then get rewarded instantly again of 3,500 points. Now, apparently that can go all the way up to $25, but I have yet to see that. Next up, we have the cryptocurrency platform Cointeply. Cointeply allows you to earn cryptocurrency tokens by completing offers, playing games, and completing surveys. Now, Cointeply, in my opinion, is a solid platform. It usually pays within 1 to 2 days as well, guys, so please keep that in mind. Just remember, it's not PayPal related, it's cryptocurrency related, so you will need a Coinbase wallet or essentially some sort of wallet that will actually take cryptocurrency. When you invite someone to use Coin2Play, you earn 25% of your referrals claims, aka cash outs, and you earn 10% of whatever your referral earns via completing surveys or completing offers. Essentially, any task they complete on Coin2Play, you'll get 10% of. Just remember, you're not impacting their earning. This is purely a bonus from the developers to you for inviting someone. Last but not least, we have the cryptocurrency platform Stormgain. Now, Stormgain allows you to trade cryptocurrency and also mine it for free. So, if you guys want to invite your friends to use Stormgain, you can actually earn 15% of the cryptocurrency that they mine for free once they withdraw it. So think of it this way, your friend mines up to $10 worth of cryptocurrency, they withdraw that cryptocurrency, you then earn 15% of the funds they receive from their own mining. It's actually a pretty cool system, guys. The only thing is, cryptocurrency mining on Stormgain does take some time. Usually it's about a month to earn around $15 worth of currency right now with the current rates. So please do keep that in mind. And by the way, the currency is Tether. So it's not actually United States currency, it's Tether. But if you want to get anyone involved with trading cryptocurrency and mining it for free, then Stormgain is definitely the application and website for you. Hopefully that helps you decide on what applications you want to get stuck into to start inviting people to use, to hopefully earn some money on the side. And hopefully that explains why you see influencers or websites always try and push referral codes onto you. It's of course because they get a kickback for affiliate marketing, which there's nothing wrong with, of course, everyone does it, it's just they do have to disclose that information. Sponsorships are on a whole different category to affiliate marketing. Maybe one day I'll talk about sponsorships on the channel as well, so I can give you some insight onto how that works. I'll catch you all in 1 to 2 days. Please stay safe out there. See you on the next video.